Sir, ano po yung latest natin ngayon sa sa 73rd IB kasi we heard that just the other day may mga sumuko at ilan yung mga sumuko?
Ah, ang latest natin is meron tayong apat na members ng Guerrilla Plan 71 na nag-surrender sa 73rd IB. Sila ay sina Phil Wating, 20 years old, si Raymart Mangay, 23 years old, si Bentol Sukar, 28 years old, and saka si Elmer Sukal, 21 years old. They surrendered to the unit last July 4, about 12 noon, in our battalion headquarters in Malita, Davao Occidental.
Sir, what prompted them to surrender? Did they bring their firearms?
They did not bring their firearms. What prompted them to surrender is of course, they complained on the failed promises to them by their recruiters kasi they were promised that they will be given 2,000 kada bulan ang ilang pamilya pag mag-join sila sa movement. And of course, another reason is the hardships na they have while in the movement because of they always move around, run, and sleep in the jungles.
Are these groups or are these individuals belong to yung front committee na ni Cabrigol before?
No, they belong to Guerrilla Plan 71. The group that Commander Brigol joined during the encounter last February is Guerrilla Plan 75.
So, what's the status of front 71 and 75?
So at present, we practically reduce the strength of Guerrilla Plan 75 and 71. Almost 50 of them were already neutralized. For Guerrilla Plan 70, for the surrenderies, we already have about 40 surrenderies
Since
January
this year.
of this year. And of course, as we know, 7 of them were also killed during the last February encounter in Alabel, Sarangani province.
So does this mean that the area of Sarangani and Davao Occidental are already controlled? Or
Yes, practically because of the reduction of the strength of Guerrilla Plan 75 to 71, we can say that there is a very improved security situation in the area of 73rd ID.
so ilan lang yung strength nila, sir, based on the military's estimate?
On our estimate, ang strength nila is it's ranging already from 30 to 40 na lang.
Armed?
Yes, armed from almost 60 to 70 last January.
So ano yung ginagawang efforts ng AFP alongside with the LGUs? Bakit ganito ang naging turnout ngayon?
So generally, what we do is we show our sincerity of the government in enticing them back to the fold of the law or to rejoin their family. Example for this is we offer the comprehensive local integration program offered by the government, and our sincere effort to mainstream them, we take care good of them and ensure that once they surrender, they will be taken care of properly by the government, specifically by 73rd IB.
Thank you, sir.